to my channel. It's me Mansha. I hope you're doing well. I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'll be showing you everything that I got from Nykaa's hot pink sale. So I've got few items which I have already used before and I love those products, so I have repurchased them. But there are also few products which I haven't used before, but I was wanting to buy it from a long time, so I got it in this sale. So it will be a mix of everything. So yeah, let's just get started with today's video. So the first thing I have is Wottagirl's Vanilla Twist Body Splash. It's like a body mist only, and this is my second time purchasing this bottle. I loved the fragrance, so I got it in the same variant, the Vanilla Twist. And this fragrance reminds me of Vaseline's chocolate body lotion. If you have used that body lotion and you love the fragrance, you'll definitely like the fragrance of this one also. The fragrance lasts for so long. That's the best part about this body mist. And yeah, if you're looking for an affordable long lasting body mist, I'll definitely recommend you this one. So the next thing I have is from Nykaa itself. It's their lipstick in Get Set Matte, shade number 11 Slay. So it's like a very bright red color, and I don't have any red lipstick in my lipstick collection, so I wanted to add one red lipstick and I got this one. But to be honest, I'm not really liking the color. It's like a very orangish red, which I'm really not liking. On screen it was looking a little bit different, maybe that's why it was a bit difficult to understand the shade, so I got this. I have used it 2 times, and both times I have layered it with a nude lipstick, and that's when it looks a little bit subtle and I'm able to wear it. Otherwise on its own I'm not liking the color. Next I have is Plum Trippin Mimosa Mini Perfume. It comes in this size. I love the bottle. It's so cute. You can easily carry it in your handbag. Also the size is very small, so yeah, it's very travel friendly. I do have one in my handbag, but that is in Hawaiian Rumba variant, and that was getting over, so I got it in this Trippin Mimosa one. And I love the fragrance of this one also. It's very citrusy and floral at the same times, which I love, so I really like this product. It comes in this small little box and it's so cute. It's very good for gifting and all also. It's for 295 rupees, and I'm sure on sale you can get it on great discounts. And by the way, I'll keep mentioning the discounted prices on which I got each and every product on the screen, so you can keep checking on that also. And yeah, all in all, I really like the product, so you can definitely check it out. Okay, so since we're talking about the Plum fragrances, let's talk about the body lotion from Plum in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. So I have used a mini perfume in Hawaiian Rumba variant, and I love the fragrance, so I got the body lotion also in the same variant. And I have tried the vanilla fragrance from Plum. I've tried the Trippin Mimosa, but this fragrance has to be my favorite one from all. And it's very mild and very fresh, which I think most of the people will like. You'll never get bored of this fragrance. It's very beachy fragrance. So yeah, I recommend you to try any of the Bodycare product that Plum has in this variant, and I'm sure you will love it too. The next product we have is Plum's Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. I've always been using the Plum's Grapeseed face wash, and that's an amazing face wash, but this time it was out of stock, so I had to get the green tea one. But anyways, I've been using the green tea night gel from a long time and it works great for me, so I thought why not add a face wash also from the same range, and let's see how it works. And so I got this one. So next I have a lipstick again, but this time from MyGlamm. It's the Liquid Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Yummy. So I already have tried another shade from this same range, and I love the formulation, so I got a different color this time. It's a very beautiful pink, like a muted pink color, which you can wear on your everyday basis, to your college, to your office, wherever you want to wear it. It's a very beautiful color. I really liked it. So they have a lot of color options available in this range, so you can definitely check this product out. The next product I have is Nykaa's Black Magic Kajal. So I've used a lot of kajals before and they used to get smudged so easily, but this product is not like that. It's a very nice kajal. It's the 3rd time I'm purchasing this product. I've used it a lot of times, and it's very intense at times. अगर मुझे eyeliner draw करना होता है तो भी मैं इससे ही draw करती हूँ, and you can hardly make out that I've used a kajal to draw an eyeliner. So it's very nice product, very inexpensive also. It's just for 170, and sale पे आपको ये काफ़ी सही प्राइस में मिल जाएगा. And yeah, I highly recommend you if you're looking for a good affordable kajal, and it's smudge proof, so you can check it out. So I've saved the best thing for the last, and it's this eyeshadow palette from K Beauty in Pure Plum. So I was wanting to buy this eyeshadow palette from a long time, but this time on hot pink sale it was on great discount, so I thought let's buy it. And look at the packaging. First of all, it's so cute, it's so colorful. Next, when we open it, we'll see all these beautiful nude shades, and it comes with a mirror as well. So I love it comes with shimmery and matte shades both, so you can create a lot of looks using this. I'll be creating a festive look really soon in the festive season using this palette. And yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed watching my Nykaa haul. I'll be linking all the products below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please make sure to subscribe it, and also follow me on my Instagram. I'll be mentioning that on my screen, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!